The Ghibli style. I know many of you still have not tried this image trend yet, and not because you don't want to, but because those websites don't work or ask for money. But the most accurate Ghibli style images right now are coming from ChatGPT. Yes, you can now generate images with ChatGPT for free, and I will show you how to do it step by step. And watch the video till the end because I have got a secret website too. So let's get started. Just open ChatGPT on your phone or laptop. If you have the Plus version, it might be a bit faster, but even the free one works just fine and enough for you. Tap the plus icon, click on create image, and then import a photo from your gallery. Just make sure your face is clear. Now simply type turn this photo into Studio Ghibli style art and hit send. It may take 2 to 4 minutes. Just wait, the result is worth it. Once it's done, just hold and save the image. Trust me, the quality is top-notch, soft, dreamy, exactly like Ghibli movies. But here is the problem. You can only generate one image per account. After that, it stops. So now we do the smart work. We can use Temp Mail for unlimited images. Just go to the Temp Mail website or app. I have mentioned it in the description and in the comment section too. It gives you a random email. No sign up, no password. Copy that mail and use it to sign up on ChatGPT again. And boom, new account, new image access. Repeat the process and you can generate unlimited Ghibli images 100% free. If you don't want to mess with the ChatGPT limits every time, then here is the another trick. Just search OpenArt AI on Google, open the first site, click Start Creating, then sign in with Google, and you will get 40 free credits for 7 days. Go to AI filters, then upload your photo, click on 80 plus more styles and choose Studio Ghibli. Hit generate, each image takes 5 credits. So you can make 8 high quality Ghibli style images for free. And yes, you can use Temp Mail here too. New email, new Google sign in and boom, fresh 40 credits again. Unlimited creations without spending anything. No watermark, full HD and the results just next level. So that's it. You have now 2 working methods to create your Ghibli art without spending money. I have already created a bunch of images and posted them on Instagram. Try it out and if you find a better tool, let me know in the comment section. And if this video helped you to get the best result, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.